back. It's your favorite giraffe, Alfie. And today, we're going to the bank.
And today, we're going to learn about our debit card. And to help us know more about our debit card, let's welcome our great friend, Gigi, the debit card.
Hi, I'm Gigi, your debit card. Woo! And today, we're going on an adventure.
Ooh.
We're going to go to the ATM, and then we're going to the store to buy toys, to buy games, and most of all, to buy coconuts.
Yes!
So let's go!
Woo!
Hey, well look here! It's our great friend Roger, the ATM.
Hello everyone, it's your favourite ATM, Roger.
Yeah!
Let's have some fun and get some money.
Oh yeah! When you go to the ATM, you place your debit card in the slot like this. After that, you place in your PIN number.
Shh.
Your PIN number is a secret number that no one should know. It's how you access your bank account.
Don't tell anyone. When using the ATM, remember, no one should be around. If they know your PIN number, then they can steal your money.
After you place in your PIN number, you can make a deposit or you can make a withdrawal. Today, let's make a withdrawal.
Yeah!
Yee-haw! Here comes the money.
Don't forget to finish the transaction. Now, let's take our receipt and take our debit card back out.
Make sure you never walk away and leave your debit card inside the ATM. If you leave your debit card inside the ATM, then someone can steal your debit card.
Oh no!
And steal your money.
Oh, come on!
Make sure Gigi is safe at all times. Place me back in your pocket and keep me there at all times.
You smart. You very smart.
Now, let's go to the store and buy coconuts. Bye, Roger.
Goodbye, everyone.
Now that we have our coconuts, let's pay for them with Gigi, the debit card.
Hello, hello, hello.
And to also help us here is our great friend, Meralda, the card reader.
Yup. Hello there. I'm Meralda, the card reader.
Yahoo!
And I'm going to process your transaction.
At the store, you will place your debit card into the card reader like this. Using the card reader is almost like using the ATM, except card readers are at stores and used to pay for things. After you place your debit card in the card reader, place your PIN number in the card reader.
Hooray! You have been approved.
Yeah!
Never leave your debit card in the card reader once you are done. If you do, then someone can steal your money.
Wait, what?
Don't let them take me.
Not you again!
Wow, awesome! We just used our debit card to make our first purchase. Now we can go home and enjoy our coconuts.
Woo!
Let's all thank Meralda for her help.
Thank you!
And we will see you next time, Meralda.
Bye, everyone.
Wow, what an adventure that we had today. We took money out of the ATM and we bought coconuts from the store.
Woo!
When Mommy and Daddy give you money, put it into your savings account. And remember, your money is safer in the bank than keeping it in your pocket. Only withdraw what you need. You don't want to lose any money.
Not you again!
If you want to learn more, then like us and subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments what you want to see next. Join us next time because we're going to talk about overdrafts. Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas. Quiero más fiesta.